This is our tubular level indicator without isolation walls. There are no isolation walls are provided. These are the process connections, which are having slip-on type flanges are there. And this is the drain connection where provided plug. And this is the vent connection that is provided with the plug. Now considering this tube is broken and we want to replace the tube, this we will show you. To remove this broken glass tube, you had to remove this. 2 nuts bolts are there that to be taken out, at bottom as well as top. First of all, you have to remove the drain plug. Similarly, you have to remove the top plug also. Then you have to remove this gland. You have to remove this gland pusher also. Similarly, at the top also. Then you have to remove the gland packing. This is the gland packing rope is there. This is to be taken out, since it is PDFE material, and when you remove it, that will be reshaped. So you have to replace this gland packing as well as the glass tube. Now this is the new glass tube you have to take. Now you have to again tie up the rope first. Before that, you have to insert the tube, then gland packing and pusher. While inserting this gland and gland pusher, you have to take care of the shape and the location. Now you have to insert gland piping in a circular way. Then you have to tighten the nuts and bolts for tightening the gland. Now similarly, you have to tighten the gland packing at the top also. Then gland pusher, you can tighten this gland with the help of 2 bolts. By tightening this bolt, you have to take care that it should not break this tube. So slowly and gradually, you have to tighten this nut and bolt. Similarly, at the other end, at the top of the line, you have to tie this nut and bolt properly. Now with a new tape, you have to insert this plug properly. So this is the complete dismantling and reassembly of the replacement of the glass tube and tubular level indicator.